Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Dia Ramadhani with student ID number 23412060 from class AKT 20A. Here, I will explain about the development and types of tax in the market and financial institution course. Definition of bank. A bank is a financial intermediary institution generally established with the authority to accept deposit, lend money, and issue promissory notes, or what is known as a banknote. The word bank comes from the Italian word banca, which means a place of exchange money. Meanwhile, according to banking law, a bank is a business entity that collects funds from the public in the form of deposit and distributes them to the public in the form of credit or other form in order to improve the standard of living of the people. The banking industry has undergone major change in recent years. This industry has become more competitive because it is regulated by regulation. Currently, banks have flexibility in the service they offer, the location where they operate, and the rate they pay for the depositors' deposits. A bank can also be interpreted as a business entity that collects funds from the public in the form of deposit and distributes them to the public in the form of credit or other form in order to improve the standard of living of the people. Bank development. The development of banks began in ancient times around 2000 BC in Mesopotamia, where temples were used as places to store gold and valuables, and simple lending activities had begun to occur. In the Middle Age, banking flourished in Europe, especially in cities such as Venice, Genoa, and Florence, which played a role in international trade activities. Banks began to act as institutions that transferred and lend money to trades. Then, in the 70s to 19th centuries, the role of the central bank emerged with the establishment of the Bank of England in 1694, which became a model for other central banks in Europa. The central bank is tasked with regulating the bank system and being the last guarantor for commercial banks in crisis situations. Entering the early 20th century, banking expanded by offering various products and services, including savings and credit for the wider community. During this time, regulation of banks began to be tightened in response to the global economic crisis. This development then continued into the modern era, with banking become increasingly digital and globally connected, offering faster and easier banking service through digital technology such as the internet and mobile application. Types of banks. Simple put, the way a bank works starts from savings deposit by its customers. Fund collected from customer savings will be lent to parties who need capital with higher interest. The funds collected can also be raised in other investment instruments such as government bonds. The interest obtained from the difference between the borrower or investment result and then given back to the customer is what will later become the bank's profit. 1. Type of banks according to their function. A. Rural credit bank. Rural credit bank, or BPR, is a type of bank that carries out business activities conventionally or based on Sharia principle, which is its activities does not provide service in payment transaction. The activities of this BPR are much narrower when compared to the activities of general banks. This is because BPR is prohibited from accept demand deposit foreign exchange activities and insurance as is done in general types of banks. B. Central bank. The central bank is a country is generally an agency that is responsible for monetary policy in the country's territory. The function and role of the central bank strives to maintain the stability of the current value, the stability of the banking sector, and the financial system as a whole. In Indonesia, the function of the central bank is carried out by Bank Indonesia or BI. As a central bank, BI has one single goal, namely to achieve and maintain the stability of the rupiah. The stability of the rupiah contains two aspects, namely the stability of the currency value against goods and services, and stability against the currencies of the countries. C. Commercial banks. A commercial bank is a bank that carries out business activities conventionally and are based on Sharia principle, which in its activities provides service in payment transaction. The nature of the service provided is general in the sense that it can provide all existing banking services. Likewise, its operational area can be carried out through the region. Commercial banks are often called commercial banks. Number 2, type of bank based on ownership. A. Mixed banks. A mixed bank is a type of banks whose share ownership is mixed between foreign parties and national private parties. The shares of this bank are mostly owned by Indonesian citizens, but some are also owned by foreign parties. Example of joint venture banks: Bank ANZ Indonesia, Bank Commonwealth, Bank Agris, Bank BNP Paribas Indonesia, Bank Capital Indonesia, Bank Sumitomo Mitsui Indonesia, and Bank Windu Kencana International. B. Foreign banks. A foreign bank is a branch of a bank abroad that they're owned by a foreign private company or a foreign government. Its ownership is entirely owned by a foreign party. Example of foreign banks: Bank of America, Bangkok Bank, Bank of China, Citibank, Deutsche Bank, HSBC, the Bank of Tokyo, Mitsubishi UFJ. C. Government banks. A government bank is a bank whose shares are partly or whole owned by the Indonesian government. Example of government banks: Bank Mandiri, Bank Negeri Indonesia or BNI, Bank Rakyat Indonesia or BRI, Bank Tabungan Negara or BTN. And then the national private banks. A private bank is a bank where the majority of its shares are owned by a national private company and its date of establishment is also established by the private company. The distribution of profits is also for the national private company. Private banks are divided into two, namely national foreign exchange private banks and national non-foreign exchange private banks. Example of national private banks: Bank Muamalat, Bank Sentral Asia, Bank Danamon, Bank Duta, Bank Nusa Internasional, Bank Niaga, Bank Universal, Bank Mega, dan Bank Bumi Putra. A. Cooperative banks. Cooperative banks are a type of bank whose shares are owned by a company that is a cooperative legal entity. This bank applies the principle of cooperative in general. An example of a cooperative bank is Bank Umum Koperasi Indonesia. 3. Types of bank based on their operational activities. A. Conventional banks. A conventional bank is a type of bank that carries out conventional business activities, which in its activities provide service in general payment transaction based on established producer and profits. Conventional banks generally operate by using products to absorb public funds, distributing funds that have been collected by using credit, financial service, and other services. B. Sharia banks. Sharia banks are a type of banking that covers everything related to Sharia banks and Sharia business units, including institution, business activities, and method and process in carrying out its business activities. Related to Sharia banks, there are two concepts in Islamic religious law, namely the prohibition of the use of an interest system because interest is forbidden of law. Next, 4 types of bank based on the form of business entity. A. Cooperative banks. This type of bank is a bank that has a business entity in the form of a cooperative. All organizational structure and structure in the bank are formed like a cooperative in general. B. Bank in the form of a sole proprietorship. This type of bank is a bank that has a business entity in the form of a sole proprietorship. C. Bank in the form of a limited liability company. This type of bank has a business entity in the form of a limited liability company. All organizational structure in the bank are formed like a limited liability company in general. And D. Bank in the form of a firm. This type of bank is a bank that has a business entity in the form of a firm. All organizational structure and structures in the bank are formed like a firm in general. That's all the explanation from me. I apologize if I said anything wrong, and it with wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.